lot of business owners have a personal profile. You have a business page. Huge difference. Your personal profile is where you're connecting with friends and family,
Right.
seeing
Right.
pictures
Yep.
of kids and dogs and grandkids.
That's
Um,
what my Facebook is.
right. That's mine too. I barely look at it, but that's what it is. The, the thing that I'll say with your personal page is it's okay every once in a while to promote something, to get your network, your friends
Right.
involved in your
Right.
business. Um, and I would, it doesn't have to be a sale. It could be like, hey, we're doing a drawing, enter and tell your friends, share on this, comment your friends in. I'd love to have more people so that we can give away more great products, things like that, like a fun summer pack or something. So there's ways that you could kind of chum the waters just with your personal profile. But for the most part, everything we're going to do on the business page. Um,
Yeah. I really, these are, friends from elementary school, from high school. I really don't want to
yeah,
muddy the waters.
and there's a balance, just like you were saying, there's a balance with your vendors and stuff. There's
Yep.
a balance with being proud of your business and maybe just
Right.
celebrating big wins. Hey, we just did this and it's really cool. Let me tell you the backstory on it. So there's a way to do it where it's graceful and tactful and not like too salesy. Um,
Okay.
so yeah, even that celebrating, or hey, can you believe this? This is a great idea the client just had. Share it every once in a while. It doesn't have to be all the time.